In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to summarize YouTube videos using Chatgpt or Claude in just a few simple steps. This will be a handy skill if you're looking to quickly grasp the main ideas of a video without watching the entire thing. Let's get started. To begin, you'll want to have the YouTube video you're interested in summarizing open. Navigate to the video and simply copy the URL from your browser's address org. This link is the key to bringing the content into Chatgpt or Claude for analysis. Next, open up Chatgpt. You can access it through OpenAI's official website or through other platforms that host the tool. Once you're in, you'll see a prompt box where you can input text. This is where the magic happens. Now take the YouTube URL that you copied earlier and paste it into the Chatgpt prompt box. It's important to just paste the URL by itself first, as this allows the AI to recognize what type of content it's about to process. Don't worry if it looks like nothing happens immediately. We're building up to the next step. After pasting the link, you'll want to guide ChatGPT on what specifically you want out of this. A simple and effective prompt could be something like, "Please summarize this YouTube video." By providing this prompt, you're directing the AI to process the information behind that link and create a concise summary based on the video's content. Be as specific as you want with your prompt, especially if you're looking for a summary on a particular aspect, like the video's main arguments, data points, or conclusions. Once the prompt is entered, give ChatGPT a moment to process and generate a response. Within seconds, it should provide you with a textual summary derived from the video. Take a look at this summary and see if it aligns with what you were hoping to get out of the video. But don't stop there. If there's any part of the summary that's unclear, or if there's additional information you'd like, feel free to ask follow-up questions. You can type queries like, "Can you elaborate on the main points?" or "What was said about the final conclusion?" This interactive capability allows you to dig deeper into the video's content without needing to watch it fully. Once you have your desired content, simply copy ChatGPT's response. You can then paste this summary into a document, share it with friends, or keep it for your own notes. This process is a time-efficient way to get the essence of YouTube videos, particularly useful for students, professionals, or avid learners who are consuming large volumes of content. There you have it. You've learned how to transform a lengthy video into an understandable summary using ChatGPT or Claude. So now you can skip to the heart of the matter, saving both time and effort while keeping up with all the information you need.